Yan.
Okay, bros. Justin here, bro fist. It's a bro fist, not a fist bump.
Wait. Bro fish.
We just checked the battery. Still charged.
Yeah. Awesome Vita.
Gaano kalaki yung sled na pinapahit?
Uy, Bormeo.
Ayan. Okay.
Do you want me to repeat the Minecraft joke?
Pag nagtawag si Ate,
What did the creeper say to the new? That's a nice diamond you got there. It'd be a shame anything were to happen to it.
pero dito ako nagtatrabaho sa science.
Did you get the joke?
Yeah, because with the creeper.
Yung batang hindi nagsiseryoso sa pag-aaral at batang pabalang
That's a nice diamond you got. It'd be a shame if anything were to happen to it.
Uy, huwag kayo maingay. Kinig daw. Nagagalit
So,
daw
yung
pag
anim na type natin
Sorry,
ay
bro.
human powered transportation. Ano kaya yung pinakasimpleng sagot doon? Ano kaya ang simpleng example?
Cars.
Narinig ko na siya. Bumawi si Kuya. Very good. Paglalakad. Ang pinakasimpleng example. Walang espesyal na mekanismo na gagamitin. Parte lang ng katawan mo. Yung mga legs and feet mo. Okay? Kasi pag sinabi natin transport, ibig sabihin ang goal mo, mula ka sa point na to, lilipat ka sa sunod na point. Sa ibang okay, very good. Let's move forward.
Okay, let's move. Another journey. Awesome. Ano? Wow. Look at he's still alive. Oh my god. Oh my god. Cars. Let's see the others. Awesome car, look. Awesome. Okay, let's move. Let's move. What is in this?
That's a boat, another motor.
Another boat? Can you see another boat? Oh my god! Jet! Jet! Let's move! Oh my god! Sorry.
Ay, may sasabihin sana ako sa'yo. Alam mo yung babysitter vlog ba?
Oh, ano pala yun?
Nung nasa, yung gaganon niya yung pintuan, yung kapatid ko naliligo sa banyo kanina, ginanon ko yung pintuan. Nainis. Ganun din to.
Uy, magupit-upit ka din. Eh, let's move!
Let's move at this.
What's this?
Go.
Tapos,